everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new units. You're going to be looking at a milk egg refrigerator. Brand on the unit is going to be our own company brand. It's going to be called Cooler Depot. Sticker will be located on the top right corner of the unit. Now as you can see, this is going to be a two-tone unit, meaning that it's going to have stainless steel doors and stainless steel on the top, and then on the bottom, on the sides, it's going to be white. Okay, so you do have a set of two doors right here. And we'll go ahead and show you the inside. We'll open them up, show you the inside in a bit. Before that, let's go ahead and give you the exterior dimensions for this unit. For the length, you're looking at overall of 49 inches. For the depth, you're going to be looking at about 30.5 inches. Overall height for this unit, you're looking at about 41 inches high for this unit. Now, as I explained, there are wheels for this unit, so you can easily move it around if you need it. You can place it from another spot if you want to go ahead and switch it or change it up. Now let's go ahead and open up these doors and show you the inside. You can see on the top there's going to be a lock right here, so you will be provided with keys. You have the option of locking these doors if you want to go ahead and lock these doors. Also, another option is you can leave one door open and close the other one, or if you just want to have them both closed or both open, you can do that as well, just for display, you know. Go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this is how the inside looks. You will be provided with a set of two shelves inside, as well as an operated manual book with more information regarding the unit. And then, as I explained, you have your keys right here for the locks. And then on the side of the unit, you have more information regarding the refrigerator. For example, the ETL certification. It is going to be certified by the health department. You also have electrical information regarding the unit. For example, you got amps, hertz, volts, model, all that information is going to be right there. Now, let's give you the inside dimensions for this refrigerator. For the depth, you're looking at 27 inches. Length, you're going to be looking at about 46 inches of the length, and then the height, it's going to be about 26 inches. Okay, so that's going to be your interior dimensions for this unit. Now, over here to the back, we'll locate our plug. It is going to be a standard plug. Just hook it up to your normal outlet. As I explained, this unit runs on 110 volts, and then you have your digital control, Dixel. Right there, you can see the temperature to which the unit is running on. You can also set the temperature as well on that camera. Okay, so that's a little demonstration on this refrigerator. We have two sizes available, so go on our website, CoolerDepotUSA.com. Take a look. Prices will be on the website. You can make a purchase on the website for one of these units. Or if you have any other questions, give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.